In this one, we'll be taking a look at how we can upload directory to our storage account using Azure Storage Explorer. Now, in order to download this one, all you need to do is search for Azure Storage Explorer, or you can visit this website, that's azure.microsoft.com/en-in/features/storage explorer, and you can choose it for the operating system of your choice. Like over here, I've done it for Windows. Once you've downloaded it, just run the executable and install it. After installation, you will be provided with this screen. Here you need to add an account, so we will just go ahead and click on add account, and here it will ask us to which service we want to associate ourselves. Here we'll be going with attached to a storage account. Click on this, and I'll be providing account name and key. Click on next. You can get the account name and key from this link, and once you have done that, just fill it in and click on the button to connect it. So once you are connected, just open it up in full view, and here you can go to storage accounts, and there you have Azure static website, and this is going to load the blob container over here, and inside that you have the $web coming up. Now once that comes up, you will see the upload icon over here. You have the option of uploading a folder or file, and using this you can easily go ahead and upload your content, and once it's uploaded, it will be accessible via the URL that we explored in the previous lecture. So that was how to make use of Azure Storage Explorer. Remember, once you are asked to connect, you need to provide two things. The first is the storage account name, and then the other one is the key, which you can get from this setting, access keys. You just need to click on show keys value to get your own keys, and then you just provide it in the storage explorer that we have over here, and you'll be able to deploy